Hi, welcome to YouTube channel. In this video, the topics I am going to discuss are what is product planning, objectives of product planning, step-by-step product planning process, and advantages of product planning. Let's start the video. What is product planning? What is product planning? Planning is the procedure of identifying and articulating market requirements that define a product's benefit or features. Product planning works as the basis for decision making about price, distribution, and promotion. It is the process of creating a product idea and following the idea until the product is introduced to the market. We can define product planning as the evaluation of the range, specification, and pricing of new and existing product according to the present and future market requirement and competitions. Product planning usually represents the activity that links the company with the market, which is directly concerned with the development of the company. Product planning can be done by top management or line management, but successful product planning can only occur within a clear framework of goals and objectives laid down by the board of directors. Objectives of product planning. Now, what are the objectives of product planning? First, to meet the consumers' needs, product planning identifies the customers' needs, requirement, aspirations, and preference. Then guide the firm's source and efforts toward the accomplishment. Second, to spotlight firm strength and weakness so that firm can work on the weakness and improve the product. Third, to 45 better resources and utilizations. Product planning helps to develop new product and modify existing one in the way that better utilization of resources can be achieved. It introduced the cost of the product. Product planning predicts what likely to change in products, technologies, product ideas so that the latest can be given in the consumer. Define the product concept. Let's move on the product planning process. Step 1, define the product concept. Define the concept is the most important step in your planning process that define the product you are trying to build. Another part of the product concept is making sure you have unshakable knowledge of the upcoming problems based on your strong understanding of what can be the solution. Market research. Market research. A small company should consider doing marketing research before planning a new product. Market researchers use quantitative and qualitative research to gain a better and more complete perspective about a market potential or possibility. Quantitative researchers target to collect an in-depth understanding of human behavior and the reasons that govern such behavior. It involves thinking and analysis that are non-numerical in nature, which includes questions of how and what. Quantitative research refers to the systematic experimental investigations of social phenomena where statistical, mathematical, or numerical data or techniques. The objectives of quantitative research is to develop the employ mathematical models, theories, and hypotheses concerned with the fact. Step 3, plan your product testing process. If the result of the survey prove favorable to, company may decide to launch the new product on a small scale or regional basis. During this time, the company will distribute the product in one or more cities. The company will run advertisement and sales promotions to spread awareness of the product and track the sales to determine the product's potential success. Step 4, product cycle. Product life cycle. Product planning must also include managing the product through several stages of the product cycle. These stages include the introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and decline stage. The first stage is introduced, with means it is time for a company or brand to launch and promote its new product. In the growth stage, the new product have been accepted in the market and their sales and profits have just begun to increase. The Third stage is the maturity stage, where the sales and profit have grown slowly and will reach their peak. The last is the decline stages, where the product is going to end and will be discontinued. It have discussed the product life cycle. Advantages of product planning. First, improve the system of the organization for regular and timely delivery. Second, better supplier communications for raw material procurement. Third, product planning reduced investment in inventory. Fourth है reduced production cost by increasing efficiency. Fifth, smooth flow of all production process. Six, proper productions planning reduces waste of resources. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.